How to apply promo code on Intrepid Travel's application. To apply a promo code on Intrepid Travel, it's a pretty simple steps. First, you need to find your trip. You want to browse the Intrepid Travels and Tours application and select your preferred departure date and group style. After that, you want to click on Book Now and enter your passenger's detail. Enter your personal and passenger information as prompted. After that, you want to simply go to your payment and review page. Proceed to the payment step. Look for a designated field labeled as promo code and coupon code or voucher. And on that field, you want to simply apply your verification code. Paste your exact code in the box, also matching your capitalizations of the letters. After that, you want to simply click on apply and verify that the discount is subtracted from your trip subtotal before authorizing the final payment. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.